Hey guys, it's Yvette, and I have a new box from Cotton Cuts. Well, new to me. I actually have gotten it before, quite some time ago, and I decided that I wanted to give it a go again. So this is the Modern Maker box, and what it is you get 3 1-yard cuts from a modern collection, and you also inside the box will get a truth pencil, a spool of thread. You get to choose a free pattern from the designer of the month. You get a collectible block, and you get 25% off items in their shop for joining. So let's get it opened and see what's inside. Here it is. And you can see if you like this, of course, the little purple paper. And Spooky Scout is over there trying to drive me crazy in the blinds. Okay, so here is the block of the month that you can collect. The designer spotlight is on Lou Orth, and if you go and check out my Cotton Cuts Classic for, I think this is for October is what we're doing, yes, then you can see Lou's quilts that are available for us to choose from to get a free pattern. And our October box here will have Dragonfly Dreams by Deborah Edwards for Northcote Fabrics, and I can see them in there right now, and they're very pretty. You're gonna love them. Okay, so our pencil says press to the dark side. And I actually have a whole bunch of their pencils already. I got them in like a cup over there somewhere. So I've got tons of these pencils. I love them. And then here is our lovely thread for this month. And that is a very light purple. Okay. Ah. Here is the fabric, you guys. And it is gorgeous. These are batiks, and I do know that Northcote Fabrics has quite a bit of batiks, like more than you would actually think, or more than I thought anyway. And I just think that they are pretty much all extremely lovely. Like I'm gonna pull these out and show it to you in a little bit, so you can see a little bit bigger piece of it. Ooh, it's very soft too. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at the dragonflies on there. So very nice. And if you're a purple lover, oh my goodness, you're gonna love this collection. You're definitely gonna love this collection if you like purple, because it basically looks like this. And I will put a picture at the end so you can see. And so it's lovely. Here's the second one that I received. Oh, look, it even has like a little bit of green in there. I love pink and green together. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm happy I got this. And then here's the third one. And I love that you get a full yard. You know, I don't know about you, but as a quilter, like, I just want yardage. I just, you know, that way you don't have, there's very little limitation whenever you have like a huge chunk of the fabric, you know. Gosh, that's so pretty. And then here they are sort of together, showing more of that. I should probably put the one with the, actually, I'm not doing this right. This one. Doot, and doot. There they are together. I probably should put that one in the middle, but there you go. Oh my goodness. So pretty. So I think, you know, I don't know how long I'm going to keep getting this one, but I'm definitely not going to quit it right now, because I'm truly loving this. And like I said, I love getting yardage. So make a comment down below if you've already are receiving this one. Then you can tell us how you've been liking it. again, with Cotton Cuts, there are a lot of options for memberships. So I'm going to put as much of the information as I can down below in the description box, and you can click through to cottoncuts.com and go and check out everything that they've got. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for coming by. Mwah.